Hi, my name is Dave, the water droplet. Have you ever turned on your tap and wondered where London's drinking water comes from? Well, that's why I'm here to take you on a journey through the City of London's drinking water treatment process. Come on, follow me. So where does all of London's drinking water come from? Did you know that London has not one but two water sources? 85% of the drinking water comes from Lake Huron, and the other 15% comes from Lake Erie. It all begins at the bottom of the lake where untreated water flows into the intake crib. Water intake can occur as far as 2 kilometers offshore. At the same time the water is being pumped in, a chlorine solution is mixed in with the water to remove any zebra mussels from the intake pipe. Water droplets like myself are then filtered through large screens. As the water goes through the filtering screens, large objects get stuck and cannot pass through. These screens will remove objects such as leaves, sticks, and sometimes even fish. The third step is the pre-chlorination step. There are disease-causing microorganisms which are too small to be caught by the intake screens. These microorganisms can be harmful to humans, so chlorine is added into the water which kills these microorganisms. Next in the process is where flash mixing happens. Not that kind of flash. Flash mixing is when a powdery substance called alum is added to the water, while the water is being mixed really fast. The purpose of this step is to remove any sand-like particles by causing them to clump together. These particles are called flock. Other chemicals such as special polymers are added to the water to allow flock particles to clump together. This process is called coagulation flocculation. Continuing on is the sedimentation process. During this step, the water speed is slowed down, allowing larger suspended particles to sink to the bottom of the tank, while clean water spills over the top. Just to make sure all the particles are removed, gravity filtration is the last step in removing the finer pieces of flock, algae, and other impurities. Chlorination and fluoridation. Adding chlorine and fluoride is the final step. Chlorine is added again to remove anything remaining in the water that may be harmful for drinking. Small amounts of fluoride are also added to prevent tooth decay, making your teeth look amazing. Now the water is purified and safe for drinking. For drinking water to get into your household, it must travel through a system of pipes. Throughout this entire system, the water is tested to ensure it is of high quality. So there you have it. You now know exactly where London's water comes from and how water is treated. The City of London provides you and your family the safest drinking water anytime, anywhere. It's time for me to reach your taps, but thank you for listening. Bye bye.